This question is saying if the below statement is true, then which other statement must also be true? And what I know about conditional statements are that if a conditional statement, if-then statement, or if P then Q, if that is true, then it's contrapositive, which if I take the two pieces P and Q and put them in alternate parts of the sentence structure, and then take the opposite, so if not Q, then not P, I know that that contrapositive is always true. So to solve this problem, I'm going to read my statement and figure out which part is P and which part is Q, then go through the four possible answers and try to figure out which one of those is the contrapositive. If not Q, then not P, then I know I will have found my answer because that is always true. So my statement says, if an angle's measure is over 90 degrees, if P, then it is an obtuse angle, then Q. So just the definition of an obtuse angle. So let's look at A. If the angle is not obtuse, if not Q, okay, that's a good start. That's the first part of our contrapositive. Then the angle's measure is over 90 degrees. Well, that is then P. That's the same part as P. So that is not my contrapositive. That's not if not Q, then not P. This one says if not Q, then P. So that is not my contrapositive. So that's not the one I'm looking for. The next one we'll look at is B. If an angle is obtuse. Well, that's just my Q statement. If Q, in this case, then the measure is over 90, then P, that's not my contrapositive. The next one, if the angle is obtuse, if Q, then the measure is not over 90, then not P. So closer, but still not my contrapositive. But now let's look at D. If the angle is not obtuse, if not Q, then the measure is not over 90 degrees, then not P. That is my contrapositive, so I know my answer is D.